bird flies in. We'll give it a second or two, say turn around. When he turns around, I'd like the bird to fly as soon as he sees the bird.
This direction. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Perfect. Your thumb open a little bit more, like out. Yeah. Yeah, like that. It's perfect.
Okay, so I'm starting the back. You let me know when you want to rack.
Okay, just keep it there. Try it right. Okay. All right, now drop your arm.
Camera has speed. Slate it.
Scene 24, take 3, mark.
Everybody settle in. Let's quiet all around.
Let's do both, yeah. Matt, just follow him this time, and then we'll do something different the next time.
Quiet all around.
Settle in.
All right, ready? Action. Go, John. Okay, let's go back, John. We're gonna do it again, everybody.
Action on the jump ropes.
And action, John. And then I'll say pick it up and walk out backwards.
Are we doing the whole scene?
Yeah, we'll do the whole thing, and I'll just give you vocal cues. I'll say, okay, now put your foot out, kick it, quickly grab it, pick it up, and then walk out slowly. Okay?
Yep.
And I'll reach down and just snatch it real quick and get back up. All right, now walk away backwards. And Carter, look at the camera. All right, go back to work. Action!
Reset.
Reset quickly back to one.
Alright,
Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
camera speed.
Alright, ready? And action! Cut! Yeah, let's go back. No slipping. Bring it one more, guys. And action. And cut.
Ready? Jay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, camera speeds. Got it. And camera is set.
And action. And exit. And cut.
That is a cut.
Okay, you're good.
Feeding.
Scene 3, part 2, Delta, take 6, mark.
All right, everybody settle in. Quiet all around.
Remember, drop the gun down to your side.
Let me know when you're set, Devin.
Yeah, he knows.
Devin set. And
Action.